C3controls presents Industry Insights. Ed Mallonen has over 30 years' experience in product research and development. He has an extensive background with third-party standards and was responsible for numerous IEC-type motor control products and product lines while working for Rockwell Automation, Allen Bradley, and Eaton Cutler-Hammer. Ed shares his insights on the important attributes of product development and C3controls' recent introduction of their new motor control line. You have a wide range of experience developing electrical control products and observing the success and failure of other manufacturers. What do you feel are the most important attributes of successful product development organizations?
Well, the first word that comes to my mind is leadership. I think leadership is essential. There are 5 fundamental ingredients that leadership needs to provide, and given that it's difficult. I mean, if you can satisfy all of those, it's very difficult to not be successful with a program.
Exploring the recent motor control product launch by C3controls, could you comment on some of the key aspects, products, improvements, and features of the product offering? The high fault short circuit current ratings for C3controls contactors, overload relays, and motor protection circuit breakers have been improved. What are the key factors that must be considered when developing motor control products with these features?
Today we see much greater capability of electrical energy being delivered into factories. The design that's going to allow that level of energy to be handled effectively and safely requires the ability to snap open a circuit that is requiring too much current, such as a short circuit, which is often referred to as a low impedance circuit. The best thing to do is to open that circuit fast enough so that the amount of energy that's being delivered is controllable. These devices exhibit that quality.
C3controls' new 4-pole 25 ampere contactor construction, 3 power poles plus 1 built-in auxiliary, comes standard on all 9 ampere to 25 ampere contactors. What are the key factors that must be considered when developing motor control products with these features?
Anytime you try to pack 4 pounds of something into a 3-pound sack, you're going to have a tough time doing it. And so it's obvious that one of the things we have to overcome is the issue just in terms of space. And each element, will be exposed to a higher electrical stress level, so it has to have materials that are capable of withstanding that. These material selections are critical in coming up with a product that meets that requirement. To the user of the product, it provides ease of application because there are fewer components that need to be mounted. I think those kinds of advantages will help to differentiate your product in the marketplace, and that would lead to a competitive advantage in my view.
C3controls' new motor control products include improved handling, installation, and compatibility within and across product lines. What are the key factors that must be considered when developing motor control products with these features?
Innovative design is a matter of form, fit, and function, and there's perhaps even a 4th element which we'll call simplicity or elegance of design or beauty. And the beauty of the design, when it has this packaged format or form, fit, and function, increases the ability to apply it in terms of easing that, and at the same time, to the person that's actually the end user, it provides exceptional value for the product.
What is your impression of what we have accomplished, and how will it benefit the machine builder?
Well, having gone through that a couple of times myself, I would say, first off, let me just say that, when I look at this array of products, it's pretty darn impressive. There's a great deal of work that's gone into making this happen. And it's very difficult to differentiate yourself in this industry because of the same fundamental end result, which is the control of electricity, etc. But in this case, within the design itself, there's a great deal of just little things that I look at, having gone through the experience, little things that I look at and say, gosh, somebody did a great job there. And I think the machine builder sees the same as I do, and that is not only the simplicity of the design, but the fact that you can differentiate this product based on the professionalism of it, as well as the precision of it.